Hello, this is Jason Hodges from AgTerra. In this video, we're going to review how to generate a summary by date report in SprayLogger. Unlike the normal reports, like your application reports, where it's job specific, this report will actually combine everything, depending on your date range, into a single document that you can use, which is very helpful if you're bringing this information into your own database, you want to do some searches. It can be extremely helpful. So I'm going to go up here to my top menu button that says reports and then do summary by date. From here, I can put in my date ranges. So I'm going to just put in this year and hit generate report. Now, depending on your date range, how much data you have, how many applications you have, this can take a few minutes. So if it's very small, it can take just 2 or 3 minutes. If you have a lot of data, this can take 30 minutes or so. So it all just depends on your date range and how much information you have within that date range. So please be patient while this goes through. Once your report has generated, you'll actually be able to see all the summary data of your information. So in this case, I can see what are my project jobs names. So this report is categorized by that. And then I can see the associated totals. So for my South Dakota job, I have 4.9 gallons applied, distance treated, and acres treated. And so I have all of that information. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, but we're going to do this for generate CSV. Once your CSV file has created, you'll get the message where you can save it to your desktop or open it. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Once I have it open, I have all of my data in an Excel format where I can see everything. How many total hours, total acres, total gallons, distance sprayed, tank mixes, any targets I've applied, everything for every job, including all my GPS locations that I've done for that date range. Again, this is very helpful if you're wanting to generate some of your own reporting. You can bring this in and do some tables on it because you have all your associated information here within this CSV. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to do a summary by date export and report within SprayLogger for any spray jobs and applications.